have a guest star. Her name is Ashley. You might know her. She's a JFK cheerleader. Please welcome Ashley. Hey, Ashley.
Hey, Wendy.
How you doing?
How are you doing?
Today we're babysitting kids at McDonald's. How you doing? How you doing? You go McDonald's circuit and then watching our TV show. How you doing?
Alright, teach you how to do that.
How you doing? Okay, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it. Look in my eyes. How you doing?
How you doing?
Please welcome Ashley's mom.
Mom, come here. We're making a video.
And today on the Wendy Williams show. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
You know Wendy Williams?
No. How you doing?